Ka samoy ialehkai phutbol arta apnriu jong ka Shillong Sports Association SSA kelas dang hak neutrik jemang hamadan SSA Shillong da ka jingpli pat ba lingba umintri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma kum ukong san ha ka jingalang. Ha ka ni ka program laya don lang ru umintri ka tanat sports uba wairat miki shila kum usimbut kongsan umintri ka tanat sports berim bat president ke SSA uba bantedor lingdo na luar kinong kitkam ka association kikin hun baya shimbenta kirang ialehkai bat kipat ba. Umintri rang ba ulapun benapat ba hakan ka jingalang balapli ka samoy ialehkai football arta apnrio. Da ka ba penheru ya ka lama ka SSA kum kadak ka jingstang ya ka ni ka samoy ialehkai. Ha ka jingkran ukon rat ulai kuble ya ka Meghalaya Football Association bat ka Shillong Sports Association halur ka jing persyang ka ba klem sange jongki ban pen klan ya ka jing ialehkai football ha ka jela. Ka football ka don ya ka benta ka ba kerpang ha ki do not ki beriu jongi bat ki samla ka Meghalaya ki jupen ibha halur ka jing it ya ka jing ialehkai football. Labun bun senam ngim shimala ban aya ka rensan ka jing kershan bat kalat ka ba ka jing ialehkai football ka deben yo. Kasngukmen bahagi ni kindet senam ling ba ka jing persyang lang jong ko sorkar kinong penyat ikikam sports bat kikin huan balan benta ngilala ban kiu syaprang ulaong. Haba pen skam ya ka thong jong ko sorkar ban kintiu ya ka sports konran ulaong. Ka thong ka jongi ka long ka basyai ngikwa ba ka Meghalaya bat kamtam ka Shillong bakan long ka nongba jong ka jing ialehkai football jong ka ri India. Ula ong kat ba ki kam be tingka na kabenta ki jingtei ka long kabudan kam hindray day ban bu jingmut markat ju ha ka ba penroy ya ka bor brio ha ki jing ialehkai sports. Hi day ban be tingka na kabenta ki nong ialehkai jongi ki coach jongi sya ki lympung ialehkai jongi bat sya ki league jongi. La ka long ha ki kerdan ki bahasor ni ha ki blong ni ha ban thawi ki lat ki linti na kabenta ki kina shinrang bat kintei bakin ya kun kin nang kiu bat bandan ya ka thong ban yo mi khamat ya ka Meghalaya hagi kerdan ki bahasa lor e ula banram. Umintri rang ba ula pen kin maru ya ka jingkershan jong ka sorkar ya ka SSA hagi ni kisnam ki balalit no. Ula pentim bahaga por baka association kelawan ya kendu ya lapen yo ya ka jingkershan pisa ka ba arpu pralak tingka ling ba ka chief minister's special grant ya ka ba hadir na kentiu syakalai polak tingka na kabenta ka samoy ka bedang syudam. Haba beteng ban a jingkershan mentau senam ulapun bena ya ka jingarap ka balai po arlak tingka na ka chief minister's special grant kanang banla ban penlong ya ka ni ka samoy ialehkai football arjar apnrio ka bajam. Ka jing ialehkai ka beda sedang jong ka ni ka samoy kelalong hapdeng ka Maunyang La Youth Sports Association persya ya ka Sela Sam FCC.
I must congratulate MFA as well as SSA for successfully reviving the spirit of sports and spirit of football back into Shillong and the state as a whole. We all know that people in Meghalaya, they love football. And our youngsters are very passionate about football. But for whatever reason in the past, we were not able to provide the platform and the support to take football to the level that it deserves. I'm happy that in the last few years, with the efforts of our previous sports minister who is here with us today as your president, and also our current minister and the government. And all of you know both of them are football players, so they are very biased towards football. So they ensure that more and more projects and funds are given to football because they are both football players themselves. But that is why today we are seeing that there is a huge investment from the government side to promote football. We have a target and a goal to make Meghalaya and Shillong the capital of football of this country. And that does not mean simply by creating infrastructures we can achieve that. But we also have to invest in the human capital. We have to invest in tournaments. We have to invest in leagues, whether it is at the Shillong, city level, district level, and hopefully in the years to come, or months to come I should say, we will have leagues at the block level also. Because that is the only way for us to be able to really revive football at the grassroots level, is to create that excitement in our young boys and girls, even at the village level, where they will be able to look forward to that league match that will take place in some remote block in our state, which will then revive the love and the passion for football that all the young boys and girls of our state and the population at large, they have. In the first year, when the SSA had come and requested for support, I had sanctioned 28 lakhs from my Chief Minister's special grant. Last year, somehow the budget went up, and I sanctioned 30 lakhs last year from my CMSG for this particular league. And this year also the budget has again gone up. So now the amount has gone up even more, but I may not be able to give all the amount that they require, but with my tradition of supporting a bit more compared to last year. So last year I had supported with 30 lakhs. I'm happy to announce that I will be giving 32 lakhs this year to SSA to conduct this particular tournament in a successful manner. My only request is please invite me for some games also, so that I can also watch some of the wonderful football out here. So once again, I thank all of you. I again congratulate SSA and also congratulate our Honorable Minister, the President of the MFA. When I was thanking everybody, he's looking at me, waiting that I'll thank him also. So I don't forget, don't worry. So I thank our MFA President also for all the efforts that are put in. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard. How you discipline yourself. And how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner. And that is really what the sportsman spirit is about. And I think that is what the larger message as a government is what we would like to give the youth of our state. That we would like sports to be part of every single youth's life. Not because each one will become a superstar, but because sportsmanship is a very, very important part of every single student and youngster's life. Once again, wish the SSA and wish all the clubs the very best. Thank you very much. Once again, I take this opportunity to officially launch the football season 2026 of the SSA and declare this football season as open. Thank you very much.